Hey traders, John Howell here. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin and what it's been doing and a bit of an update on it moving forward. So guys, let's get straight into it. Guys, do not place trade based on what you see in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss, and there's no guarantees of making money in the market. So be smart about the way that you're trading and investing in the markets. All right, so before I start, guys, I have only a few spots left for my 12-month monthly private weekly coaching program. If you're interested in that, very first thing in the description, go fill out the application form. I'll call you soon to see if you're a good fit for my 12-month weekly coaching program. All right, so let's actually get straight into it right now. So firstly, what I want to share with you guys is what Bitcoin's been doing right now. Okay, so firstly, Bitcoin's been doing what? Pretty much nothing, right? Pretty much sideways, nothing really going on. There's just really nothing going on. You know what I mean? There's pretty much sideways for the last 2 months. But as you can see, we're getting smaller and smaller and smaller, and this is where Bitcoin is going to explode. And now, where's it going to explode? We don't know, but wherever the breakout is, it's likely to then completely just take off in that direction. So if the breakout is down, well, I can see a lot more downside. If the breakout is up, then the breakout is likely to be to the upside. So if we look at, say, the weekly chart here for a minute, you can see here, look at this here, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's just going really quiet. High, lower high, lower high, lower high, and now we're getting all these small little bars. So for me personally, because the market has continually going making high, lower high, and a lower high, because the market has been lowering, sellers have been lowering their prices, and we've found a bit of support through here. What I'm looking at, and because we're getting all these small little bars, is that what I'm looking at here on this weekly chart is that if we do get a nice drop to the downside on Bitcoin, then I'm looking to short it and benefit from a nice drop on the downside. So that's what I'm looking to do with Bitcoin. Now, if the market does rise up, then we can start to see a big move up from there. But right now, the overall trend of Bitcoin has been completely down. So I definitely wouldn't want to be fighting or going against that. So even if we do get a break up and out, that won't be a buy signal for me. But if we get a break down, that'll be a shorting signal for me on this weekly chart to look out there. So Bitcoin is going to explode. Bitcoin is going to absolutely just take off. And it's going to be a big move. So big move, what I mean by that is that we could actually start to see a big rise if we get a big break up and out, and especially if we start to get a break above this, say, 8,000 level, then that's the trend completely changing. Once we do that, yeah, we could see a rise back up towards that 20,000 level. We could see that. I'm not saying it's going to happen. We don't know. We have to wait for the market to tell us where it's likely to break out. If we break down, then the next major support level is probably around that 2,000 level. 2,000 is where Bitcoin is probably going to get down to. Now, people say, that's not going to happen, that's not going to happen. Guys, please be smart about throw your ego at the window. Your ego is no place for the markets, okay? If you think you're going to be ego and so on and so forth, just look at this, okay? So many people said at 15, 16, 17, 20,000 that Bitcoin would never get to 15, would never get to 10, would never get to 6. Like, people that bought it up here or here would never dreamed of Bitcoin being at 6,000. Okay, so just flow with the market. Don't ever think that you know what's going to happen, because no one knows what's going to happen. So trade what you see and not what you hope for. Before you go, make sure you grab the free Grab the Markets by the Balls training course. In this training course, you're going to learn the top 13 deadly mistakes, the success formula, charting boundaries, the PT method, the ultimate trading system, the blast off trading system, #1 in trading indicator, the $1 million trade and money management, how successful traders approach the market, and so much more. Get this trading course for free right now. Click on the very first link in the description to get this whole complete trading course to give you the edge on your side of trading this market. Do that right now, and I'll see you on the other side.